Welcome to my blog Hanmung Revelation Deverma. Tini ang ani dol soro hanai tongo nog khatilok para debek chakma handol ni mungkha gari nasingjak gari simaliya tini bosor katal wansorong bosor katal ni bagai gari malia lambu tok lambu ya yang tei shortcut naik bazar go lambu logo haisi jeez launch me at least 100 200 300 400 500 high 500 meter high rong no lama au yang kang buskang tu yang kojang nai ya lah chat mo kodong chati bai bazar thang ya kai nok bai kerengan. Here you go, Mr. Chondro. I'm just heading towards your Tilokpara. But it is very difficult to me to go at market just because of this hot sunny. Otak panoron thanga. Tabon semalaya ko. Kawan sorong jaga ba. Joto no kono mu moto no ba man da hoto. Ya mu moto yo siring serap kan no habla jakte mai chalainan mu koto bai tan bagai ngake bongsi ti mosor katal angka ba joto khatungla tongtolai jak bazar to bongorong no bisi bango bazar ba hom ya tabuka siring iyo mo chim bazar sekarang itu bazar jauh jom ke phone nanggi ja jom ikomo nun ho jaya sarong kodong belai kholom toi finance nai to 15 টাকা মন তারপর 20 টাকা সব এখান থেকে দাম বাড়ি কাটা বছর কত লাগবে বাড়ি কাটা সোলাংটা বাজার নে Tilokpara thang thanai orang 20 টাকা sanjako So Mr. Chandra, I just bought this for you. Grapes. Hope you like it. Just give me a little while because I'm just on the way of your house, like 1 kilometer distance. I'm just coming, bro. Gari ni ongkor kata buk. Chandra no thang tongo. Chandra no thang tongo ongkor bong nok lama. Yang mau dike jauh tan baik sini yang mau bong yang sudah sini kan lama kotor highway NS 44 ini bagai balai home dodom bong yang kan enggak nono home dodom ya lama cikon kami area hai ro ayang oke NS 44 yang narota bong nok yang ni biru mana environment jautan bagi kira area nomor kau nomor tahu nang tungan jaga nomor nanggo yang kan nomor nanggun sandekri agar lama bagi sabung langsung mau gana Thangri video on kaisi nai umoka Chin soling does me as them office some she's serious. I mean, hang narong ka lama kotota NS44 ga lama ni yang narong ka hoja ro kai ko ga asik paham do mong yata ga tom David song ro kai tawa sarf kai tong bong bijo plus ni ko tam ne Banglan boso total I'm not celebrate tangga bro ana everybody iko among ka anggur awan amo tok bahan alo watermelon tongo tiba ko tongo yang ke ro tok bahan amo Sprite amo tiba Fanta na I guess ngam ko thako mo songjak iko yang ka and this is for my friend. This piece goes to my friend. Namaka. Thank you very much for inviting me. And I'm gonna try this under dishes. This was to chicken. So delicious, man. You're still late, bro. I'm gonna try this piece also. Hope you guys can see it. Here you see, but it may not be proper for you guys. And this is maybe Sprite. Let me taste it. Oops. Kotok. Tasty, but not tasty. It's very tasty. Bro, no for payo. Go on, Muncho. Bro, just look my side. This is the one. Hope you guys notice him. This is the guy. He have invited me to his house for eating, for enjoying, for everything. Bijo and plus to the what? Bangalore New Year. Huh? Aun bagay. Mano tinin bari kan katabok so bin by song no thang actually bro, right now we are heading towards the
Jury's house.
Jury's house. Acha. So we are heading Jury's house. Let me see.
You must tell your experience now. How you're feeling. That you came in my home, you had Biju.
If any girl watching my video, then like for this guy. Then you just contact me. I'm a very good friend of him. I easily can fix you.
Nice.
Even he like very much as he appreciate me.